What's up guys, Jared with Drone Talk Tuesday. Hope you're doing well. Every Tuesday I'm dropping bite-sized videos for you talking all things drone. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about drone insurance. How do you get it and why is it important? Stay tuned. All right, the topic of insurance. Everybody loves this topic, right? We love to buy insurance. No, I'm just kidding guys, but seriously, drone insurance is a very important thing. We talked about registering your drone and how your drone is essentially a vehicle in the sky. Like the vehicles on the ground, we gotta register them, and it's generally a good idea to have insurance on your vehicle. Same applies to your drone when you're flying in the sky, guys. And honestly, in my opinion, I think it's a good investment. Depending on the drone you get, I think it's a really good investment whether you're a recreational flyer or you're a commercial flyer. Definitely if you're a commercial flyer, when you're flying client projects, some clients even ask for a drone policy or a drone insurance policy from you, but it's always a good idea to carry it. And there's really two types of insurance you can get for your drones, guys. You can go to your local insurance agent. I went to my local State Farm agent that I have home insurance through and car insurance through, and I just asked him, hey, can we do whole insurance, H-U-L-L, the whole. That way if I wreck my drone, I can get it replaced. They came up with a really good policy for me. I pay $50 for the year and it covers my drone. And if I wreck it, I can pay a small deductible of like $100 and I can basically get a new drone. And you know, my drone is a couple $1,000. So to me, that's worth spending $50 over a year period to have that insurance on my drone in case something happens to it. And then let's talk about the liability insurance, particularly for commercial work. So if you're flying like construction sites, if you're flying real estate, if you're flying any kind of area where your drone can do damage to somebody else's property or somebody else, you need to think about liability insurance. I recently just had a meeting with a client. One of the local city towns where I live is looking to do some event photography, some event video, and facility video as well. They've got some new baseball facilities and stuff that they want drone video of. And so they asked me, you know, to cover what they call their Cherokee Strip event. It's for the city of Perry, just north of Stillwater here. And they asked me, hey, do you carry a liability policy? And yes, I do. My liability policy is up to $1 million. I use a company called Skywatch, but you can also use another company called Verifly. Both of these two companies offer on-demand drone insurance, and that's really, really convenient, guys, for folks that are flying, you know, commercially, but they're not flying every single day. If you have just like a couple jobs a month, on-demand drone insurance is going to be your most cost-effective insurance, because essentially what you do is you download the app, and then you get your drone insurance when you go to fly. And so it costs anywhere between $10 and $20 depending on where you're flying and how long you're flying. They do it by the hour. So up until recently, I've been doing on-demand drone insurance through Skywatch. Every time I flew a job, I'd get on their app, I'd get my coverage for that 1 hour time frame that I'm flying, and I'm good to go. Recently though, however, I've just booked several clients ahead of time, or you know, out several months, and I've got about 2 months worth of work where I know I'm going to be flying a lot. Well, the great thing about Skywatch, they now offer monthly policy, so I can buy a month at a time if I know I'm going to have a busy month. So this upcoming month for me, I just got a policy through Skywatch. It covers me up to $1 million in liability coverage for property damages, damages to other people if I hit anybody with my drone or anything crazy like that. And I think I spent $60 on that, and I'm going to make that money back through my client projects easy. And that's not that much, you know, for a monthly policy. I checked through a yearly policy through my local State Farm agent, and it was pretty significant, more than what I was willing to pay right now. So I do a mixture of a monthly policy through Skywatch and on demand. I'm gonna get to a point where I might carry a yearly policy. That's the goal, right? Where I'm busy enough and I have enough clients all year long that I need a yearly policy. And so as you grow your commercial business as a drone operator, you need to think about scaling your insurance needs and making sure your insurance needs match what you're doing, okay? So don't go out there and fly a really expensive project and not carry the insurance. It's not that expensive, and it protects you, and it helps protect your client, and it builds trust with your clients as well when you can show them that documentation. And so I also think it's good for recreational folks too. Go check with your local insurance agent and see if you can get coverage on your drone. That way, if you do wreck it as a new pilot, you can get another one. See what that costs. So anyways, That's my little spiel about drone insurance. That's how I handle it with my business. And let me know if you guys have any comments on how you handle drone insurance. There's new companies popping up all the time. I highly recommend Skywatch. They're a really good company and they're constantly evolving with the drone industry and the needs of drone operators and matching the needs of the drone operators with their insurance policies. And they're actually pretty affordable, so check them out. If you guys have any questions, like always, get in contact with me. I love hearing from you guys, and we'll catch you guys next time for Drone Talk Tuesday.